Hello, Trailblazers. Welcome to Force Fever. Today, we are going to talk about the page layouts, which is a very important feature of Salesforce. And if I define the page layouts in a one line, page layout is the out of the box standard visual layer between the user and the Salesforce. It presents the structure and exposed field to the user customers. We can have other visuals layer as well, like a visual force page or a component, lightning web component, etc. But this is the standard out-of-the-box feature which enables user to interact with the Salesforce. We can expose the fields, we can fields mandatory, we can do a lot of things with the page layouts. So we are going to talk about few of them. So let's start with the page layout. So as I'm on the account object, and here I clicked on the page layout. We already have a couple of page layouts created in the Salesforce org. We are going to create a new Salesforce org. So let's put it on new existing page layout. If you want to clone the fields from the existing page layout, you can select any of the existing page layout and you can give the name of your page layout. This is feed based layout. This is basically from the classic to the side by side tab for the feed and the detail. So you can have a feed tab, you can have a detail tab, you can switch back from detail to tab, and in the feed we can see all the things happening on that particular object and the record. So let's enable it and save it. Now we have the layout prepared. So we are I'm going to save it and going to assign this page layout to the system administrator profile because I'm logged in as a system administrator profile. So assignment is pretty easy. We have to click on the edit assignment and then have to select for which user you are going to you can assign the page layouts at the profile level, not at a respective user level. So since my profile is system admin, I'm going to assign this profile to system administrator profile. At the moment, assigned layout is account layout, but I'm going to change it to the demo account and save it. So just to verify, you can see for the system administrator, layout assigned is demo account. Just to see if things are reflecting on the UI as well, I have opened the account layout and we are going to make some changes in this layout to see how things are reflecting in the UI. If I refresh this page and see everything is in place, so you can see that we have annual revenue here. So I'm going to remove the annual revenue from the layout and quickly save it to see things are displayed on the UI as well. Yep, so annual revenue has been removed from the UI. Similarly, we can make any field. I'll put annual revenue back to UI, and let's say I'm making this field as a required field, which means user have to have put some value in this field in order to either update or save the record. So I made it mandatory. I'll quickly save it and we'll go and test it on the UI. On the annual revenue, I'll go and just try to remove the value and try to save it. It won't, because it has to have some value in here. So let's put some random value, save it. One more thing we can do with the page layout, we can make fields read only. Suppose we want that field to be visible to user, but they should not be able to edit it. So what we can do, we can make the field read only and save it. We'll go on, move into account and check how things are reflecting there. If I try to, since I'm the system admin, I can edit all the read-only fields. So this will not work for the system admins. We have extra permission. Move on to the next one. we have the contact, and these are the field displayed on the contact related list, which means, for example, if I go to related and if I check contact here, you can see these are the fields: contact name, title, phone, mobile are displayed here. If I go here and click on the gear icon, I can remove some of the field, like suppose I don't want mobile anymore. I can make it and save it. Let it quickly save it, and then we can go to the contact to check the behavior. Yep, we don't have mobile phone here. Similarly, we can add as well in the quick view. This is a short video on the page layouts. I'll come back with the more videos on the Salesforce. Thank you very much.